It's not gonna cut right off.
I prime it first. Like, no. I'm about to say here.
Low?
Good. Jump up here. Alright, go ahead. Pop the trunk. He's gonna go to the battery.
What?
You don't sound like a fucking hellcat out the start.
It is. It's a fucking demon.
I said, oh my god.
Okay. Don't judge me.
Double.
Oh, this shit is coming out.
Too much weight.
Way too much. Oh, this shit is coming out.
Weight reduction. Yeah, I just found it. Yeah, they was inside the room. No, that's I was looking for something. Shut the fuck up. I was looking for something else and I came across.
Jack it up in the air. I can see where the exhaust is coming from. Real quick.
I was trying to see if I had the injector leaks.
She's alive! She's a fucking alive! My stinking tank open. My stinking tank is alive.
We got exhaust leak right here.
I hear it, see? That's what I was telling you. That's a ball blast. Shit, demonic.
Make it on the ground so when the air goes this way, it pushes the damn airplane.
Fuck the fuck.
Put her in the back. Put it in the floor.
Oh, down, yeah, down for us.
Like so big.
I gotta tell her if you give the 5 more horses.
You do.
Oh yeah.
Don't tell nobody. I gotta put the bracket. I got a bracket right here. So this joint. Oh, sweet. This shit leaking. Not leaking, but moisture. Huh? I couldn't hear it.
From the fan.
You do that with next week?
You gotta get that exact type of thing too.
That's why I keep hitting that right here. My condenser had a big ass dent in the old one. I ain't hit that.
You okay, my apologies?
Slow, bucko. Slow. But that shit's so fucking low, man. Go ahead. You good? You off. about to say something?
I was just trying to clear it out a little bit because it was sitting. That's why I was smoking so much. Gigi, open that front gate.
Alright, so yeah, everything's put back together. Everything's basically done. Hopefully the car's running a lot better than what it was. Yeah, to tighten up my lower patrol on my driver's side. He had to change the drive shaft coupler. That was fucked up. And I just got my 6-1 intake manifold added to the car, so make it run a little better, give it more top end. Hopefully it helps out. So we're gonna see how it runs tonight. I'm gonna go get these niddles put on for this race and see how she run with those. They a little bald, but he said they should be good. I probably got like 2 passes on them. I'm not running all night, so I'm gonna rock out with what I got right now and go from there, because I cannot find no 315s for my rear tires nowhere. And if I buy them new, I might as well order them offline where I order them from anyway and just go from there. So we're gonna see. Y'all hear that bitch barking in the background? It's my baby, man. So hopefully Fat's got it right, got the car set up right, then we all get in the game, man. Y'all get in the game. Rained a little bit. See, the ground a little wet, but I don't know if y'all can really tell, but the ground is a little wet. Y'all wanna slide through pit lane. Check them out on Instagram. Pit lane 215. Ask for my boy Fat. They'll get you right, man. They'll definitely get you right, They certified to fuck with everything, for real. They must be driving right. They're just taking that bitch around the neighborhood. Shit. Alright. Call me when you get off. Feel a lot better? Do it feel more torquey with that manifold in?
I don't know how torquey your car was before. It sounded like it got quieter. I put a new one in. He said, I got a boat, bitch.
I found a boat.
I found a boat. This is the roundabout.
Let me see.
It sounded like it got quieter though.
No, I doubt it.
No?
I doubt it. You launched it a little bit? What's up, son?